Today, we're spotlighting a tiny seed with a giant legacy, the chia seed. Packed with fiber, protein, omega-3s, and essential minerals. In this video, we'll break down the science-backed benefits of chia seeds and show you easy ways to add them to your meals. Ready to unlock the power of this ancient superfood? Let's dive in. Let's talk about digestion, a topic that affects all of us, every single day, whether we realize it or not. Good digestion is the foundation of feeling energetic, light, and comfortable, and it all starts with what we eat. Today, we're focusing on how chia seeds can help keep you regular and support a healthy gut. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse when it comes to digestive health. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds pack in about 10 grams of fiber, which is nearly a third of the daily recommended intake for adults. This fiber is a blend of both soluble and insoluble types, each playing a unique role in your digestive system. The insoluble fiber acts like a broom, sweeping waste through your intestines and helping to prevent constipation by adding bulk to your stool. It keeps things moving smoothly, so you feel lighter and less sluggish. Meanwhile, the soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid. This gel softens your stool, making it easier to pass, and also acts as food for the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. This powerful combination not only keeps your digestive tract moving, but also helps maintain a balanced and thriving microbiome, which is essential for overall health and immunity. But remember, more isn't always better. If you're new to chia seeds, start slow. Add them gradually to your meals to give your body time to adjust and avoid any bloating or gas. Begin with just a teaspoon a day, and always pair chia seeds with plenty of water. Hydration is crucial because fiber needs water to do its job effectively. Without enough water, fiber can actually slow things down and make constipation worse, so make sure you're drinking throughout the day. Chia seeds are a simple, natural way to support regularity, improve gut health, and add a nutritional boost to your meals, whether it's breakfast, snacks, or even desserts. Have you tried adding chia seeds to your diet for better digestion? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Your tips might help someone else. Remember, everyone's gut is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Listen to your body and find the routine that keeps you feeling your best. Here's to keeping our digestive systems happy, healthy, and running smoothly every day. Stay tuned for the next benefit of chia seeds. You won't want to miss it. Next up, heart health. When it comes to supporting your cardiovascular system, every small choice matters, and chia seeds are a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. Chia seeds are loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that helps reduce inflammation and keep blood vessels flexible. This means your arteries can stay open and relaxed, making it easier for your heart to pump blood efficiently throughout your body. Their high fiber content can lower LDL cholesterol, reducing artery clogging plaque, and easing the heart's workload. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar, which is another key factor in maintaining healthy blood pressure over time. Chia seeds are also rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that help relax blood vessels and balance sodium levels. These nutrients work together to keep your blood pressure in check, especially if you're watching your salt intake. Even calcium in chia seeds supports healthy blood vessel function. Calcium helps blood vessels contract and relax properly, which is essential for steady blood flow and pressure. It's the synergy of omega-3s, fiber, and minerals that makes chia seeds a heart-healthy choice. When you combine these nutrients, you get a natural boost for your cardiovascular system that's hard to beat. Add them to your routine for a simple way to support your cardiovascular system. Small seeds, big impact. Just a spoonful a day can make a noticeable difference over time. Looking for a natural way to help manage blood pressure? Chia seeds are a great start. They're easy to add to almost any meal, and you don't need a lot to see benefits. Try them in your breakfast or smoothie and feel the difference. You can even sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for an extra heart-healthy boost. Your heart will thank you. With every bite, you're taking a step toward better blood pressure and a healthier life. Let's keep going. Struggling with constant snacking? Chia seeds can help you feel full for hours. Their soluble fiber absorbs liquid, expanding in your stomach and sending "I'm full" signals to your brain. This gel slows digestion, giving you steady energy and preventing blood sugar crashes. Plus, chia seeds pack a protein punch, further curbing hunger. Add them to your breakfast or snack for lasting satisfaction. Just remember to drink water. Hydration helps chia work its magic. Stay full, stay energized. For vegans, chia seeds are a true nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide range of essential nutrients that can sometimes be challenging to get from a plant-based diet alone. These tiny seeds are packed with benefits that make them a smart addition to any vegan kitchen. They're one of the rare plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, but can't produce on its own. This makes chia seeds especially valuable for those who don't consume animal products, as complete proteins are often harder to find in vegan foods. Ounce for ounce, chia seeds actually provide more calcium than most dairy products, making them an excellent choice for supporting strong bones and healthy teeth. For vegans who avoid milk and cheese, chia seeds are a simple way to help meet daily calcium needs. Chia seeds also make a perfect egg substitute in baking. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel, and use it as a binder in recipes like muffins, pancakes, or cookies. It's a simple swap that works beautifully in both sweet and savory dishes. Naturally gluten-free, chia seeds are completely safe for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. You can enjoy their benefits without worrying about any gluten-related issues, making them a worry-free ingredient for many people. Sprinkle them on salads for a satisfying crunch. Blend them into smoothies for a boost of nutrition, or stir them into sauces and soups to thicken and add texture. Their mild flavor means they blend seamlessly into almost any dish. Chia seeds are a versatile, allergen-friendly staple for any plant-based kitchen. They're easy to use, incredibly nutritious, and add a delicious touch to countless recipes. Whether you're new to vegan cooking or a seasoned pro, chia seeds are a must-have ingredient. Next, let's explore how chia seeds can help boost your energy and keep you feeling your best throughout the day. Need an energy boost without the caffeine crash? Chia seeds deliver steady, natural energy. Their blend of healthy fats, complex carbs, and protein digests slowly, giving you hours of fuel. The gel-forming fiber stabilizes blood sugar, preventing spikes and crashes. Chia seeds also help you stay hydrated, slowly releasing water as they move through your system. Perfect for athletes or anyone needing all-day stamina. Try chia pudding or add seeds to your water bottle for a refreshing pick-me-up. Ditch the jitters. Choose chia for lasting vitality. Next, let's talk about stress. Feeling stressed? Chia seeds can help your body cope. They're rich in magnesium, the anti-stress mineral that calms nerves and regulates cortisol. Chia also contains tryptophan, which helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin for better mood and sleep. Omega-3s in chia seeds reduce inflammation and may lower stress hormones. Together, these nutrients support emotional balance and resilience. Add chia to your meals for a natural stress-busting boost. Better mood, better sleep, better you. Let's see how chia supports your bones. Onward! Chia seeds are a bone-building powerhouse. They're loaded with calcium, phosphorus, and manganese, key minerals for strong bones and teeth. Ounce for ounce, chia has more calcium than most dairy, plus the supporting minerals needed for absorption. These nutrients work together to keep your skeleton sturdy and resilient. Antioxidants in chia seeds also protect bone cells from damage. Add chia to your diet for a simple way to support lifelong bone health. Strong bones, strong body. Now, let's talk weight loss. Chia seeds are a secret weapon for weight management. Their high fiber and protein content help you feel full, naturally reducing calorie intake. The gel-forming fiber slows digestion, keeping you satisfied and stabilizing blood sugar. This means fewer cravings and less snacking. Some studies even suggest chia may help reduce belly fat. Add them to your meals for a simple, sustainable weight loss boost. Healthy, filling, and easy to use. Next up, glowing skin. Want radiant skin? Start with chia seeds. Their omega-3s strengthen your skin barrier, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. Anti-inflammatory properties help calm redness and irritation, supporting clearer skin. Antioxidants protect against free radical damage, slowing signs of aging. Chia's protein and minerals support collagen and skin repair. Add chia to your diet for a natural glow from within. Beauty starts on your plate. Let's look at digestive health next. Chia seeds are a smart choice for colon health, especially if you have diverticulosis. Their fiber keeps stools soft and easy to pass, reducing pressure in the colon and helping prevent flare-ups. Modern research shows seeds like chia are safe and beneficial for most people with this condition. The prebiotic fiber also nourishes good gut bacteria, supporting a healthy colon environment. Always introduce fiber gradually and consult your doctor if you have digestive issues. Chia seeds can be part of a long-term plan for a healthy gut. Simple, gentle, and effective. Take care of your colon. Chia can help. Let's wrap up with a challenge. There you have it, 10 science-backed reasons to make chia seeds a daily habit. From gut to heart, bones to skin, these tiny seeds deliver big benefits. Get creative. Try them in smoothies, puddings, or baked goods. Curious about other super seeds? Check out our videos on flax, hemp, and pumpkin seeds for even more health tips. How do you use chia seeds? Share your favorite recipes in the comments. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. Chia seeds can make a big impact.